Hello, this is Jennifer from Jennifer Bailey Online, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create a bonus page. So if you're into affiliate marketing and you want to give something extra to those people who buy from you, we call them bonuses, and you need to put them somewhere. So for example, let's say you do a review video, you want to send anyone who clicks on your link through to a page where they can view a little bit more information about the product that you've been reviewing, for example, and also the bonuses that you're offering them to kind of sweeten the deal, I suppose. Because if there's lots of affiliates who are all promoting the same products, what will make you different from the next affiliate will be the bonuses that you give. You're not allowed to give money or cash back if people buy from you, but you are allowed to give them bonuses. And these can take many forms. It can be ebooks, it can be video courses, it could be WordPress plugins, it can be webinars, anything that you want. And the best thing to do with this is to be as generous as you can, and also to think carefully about the bonuses you're giving so that they complement the product that you are reviewing or advertising. So you probably will find that a lot of affiliate marketers will host their bonuses on a piece of software, cloud-based software called Commission Gorilla. And that's actually something I use too. Now, I bought it quite some time ago, and I think at the time I paid a one-off fee and I had a lifetime access to it. I now believe it's about $39 a year, something like that. It's not a huge amount of money, but it's a really handy tool, and building bonus pages is really simple because it also allows you to deliver your bonuses as well. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how I create a bonus page. Now, coming up in a few days is a launch of a product called Craig's Bank. So what I'm going to do is I'm literally just going to walk you through my process of creating a bonus page using Commission Gorilla. So first of all, as you can see, I'm in my Commission Gorilla account, and you can see all the pages that I've created using it. So these are the names of all the products down here, and when I created the page. You can also see the stats for each page and the conversions as well. Now, when you first decide to use Commission Gorilla, what you can do is you can use what they call their best practice templates. So if you won't, because you won't have any pages actually created already. So there's the best practice template, and you can choose to preview this. And what this will do is give you an idea of the structure they recommend you to use for your bonus pages. I'm just hoping it's going to load up. Here we go. So this is how they suggest you structure your bonus pages. Okay. So as you can see at the top, there's a attention bar, and I believe the attention bar might be an add-on that you have to pay a little extra for, but I think you'd have to obviously go through the purchase of the product if you haven't already got Commission Gorilla to see if that's the case. You've then got a title, maybe a video, a call to action button, some summary of the product, and then the bonuses here at the bottom. And this is pretty much the structure that I use when I am creating a page. So if you've not created one before, what I suggest you do is you can use this template and you can just tweak it how you want it. But what I'm going to do is, because I've obviously got quite a few pages already, the easiest thing for me to do is actually to clone one of these pages, and then I can just tweak it for the product. Also, the beauty of Commission Gorilla is other people can clone their pages and give them to you. So if you decide to buy Commission Gorilla and you want a head start and you want to clone one of my pages, if you message me, I will send you a code that you can put into Commission Gorilla. This is not a proviso of you buying Commission Gorilla through me. I will just give you one of my pages cloned as a starting point. If you want to buy Commission Gorilla through me, obviously you can. I will stick a link below the video, but you don't have to. But I want to help you get started. So It's not a problem. Message me, I'll clone one of my pages, send it to you, and you can use it as a template. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to pick one of my recent pages. So I think my last one that I did was El Bandito I did. So I am going to clone this page. So I come to this green button here which says clone page, and what it will do is it'll just create me a copy. So I'm going to click that button there, and what's going to happen, it is now going to tell me that it's cloned the page. Okay, so it's now opened it up. So as you can see, there's a lot of similarities between my page and the sort of the ideal one or the best practice one. So this is where I'm going to start. So this is an image I created myself. I think I used, what do I use? You can use Canva, you could use any sort of image editing software, or you can have something like that created on Fiverr. So I've just put a really basic header together. And what I've done is I've given it a see-through background. So if I want to change the background colour here, I can. So what I tend to do is I look now at the product that I want to create this bonus page for, because I want to make it as congruent as possible, which means I want it to look very similar. So I'm going to start tweaking this page to look very much like the sales page for Craig's Bank. Before I do any of that, I'm just going to rename the page. So what you do is you come over to settings here, and then page settings. And then what I can do is I can name the page. So I'm going to call this Craig's Bank, so I know what the name of the page is. And in here is where I will put my affiliate link for the product. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hop over to the JV document for Craig's Bank, and I'm just going to find the link to click on to get my affiliate link. And I've already logged in to Warrior Plus, because if you don't log in, it doesn't take you to the actual page. It's easier to log in first. So here we go. I've got my affiliate link for Craig's Bank. So I'm going to click on link details. And in a minute, when we finish this page, what we're going to do is we're going to put the page in here of where the bonuses are going to be delivered to. And we get that from our page we're creating in Commission Griller. So then you can see how easy it is. So I'm going to take that link, I'm going to copy it. We'll leave this open because I'm going to come back to it in a minute. And I'm going to paste it in here. And I'm also going to paste it in here for now because I don't know exactly where I want to redirect anybody to. So I'm just going to save that. Okay, so that's saving. It takes a little bit longer because I'm recording obviously my screen at the same time. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is I am going to check out when this product launches. So let's go to the JV page and see if it gives me a date. I'm pretty sure it launches on Thursday. So the 19th of July 2018. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come into Commission Griller, and I am going to, what date did I say that was? Sorry, I'm trying to click and think at the same time. It was never a good combination. So 19th of July. So if I come to the 19th of July, I reckon that I'm going to keep my page up until the 26th, which is a week. So I'm going to make that 26th of July. 26th. And that is a Thursday. So I'm just going to change this bit. Thursday. And obviously that's not going to say El Bandito. It's going to say Craig's Bank. Like that. And what I need to do is in my pro features, I also need to change my countdown timer to match that. So I said the 26th of July. That is when my bonuses are going to expire. So now what will happen is when I have my countdown timer showing on my bonus page, it will say exactly what I've just typed in up here. Okay, so I don't need to do anything with that. Let's have a look and see what the colour of the sales page for Craig's Bank is. Okay, so it looks like it's a purple. So what I'm going to do is I could take this background image, but actually just to save time, I'm going to grab the colour if it will let me. So I've got something called Colour Picker here. I click on it and I bring it over to the page where I want to get the colour and click on the page. And then when I click on the little dropper again, it gives me the code for the colour. So I'm going to copy that, come back to Commission Griller, and I'm going to go down to Page Colours here, and I'm going to change, the outer colour. It's going to let me do it. Ooh, did that work? No, it didn't look like it worked. Let me just see what I did there. Copy. Right, I need to put more, click more, then I can put it in. So there we go. Aha, right, fab. So that's changed the back colour to purple. And then I can also change the inner colour to purple. So I'm going to change that there as well. So now you can see the page is more similar to Craig's Bank. So what I'm also going to do is I'm going to change the background colour behind this, because obviously if I change that to purple, it's going to be lost. So I'm going to come in here and I'm going to change the block colour to white. So now it looks like that, which looks pretty good. And I also need to grab an image of the product, because I like to put an image up here. So let's see if there is a product image I can grab. Where is it? Here it is. Right. So I use Snagit. So sorry, that's my Camtasia. I don't want that one. I want Snagit. Where's my Snagit? You can use Snagit, which I bought when I bought Camtasia, or you can use the clipping tool, which you'll probably find that's on your computer already. Oh, snipping tool. So if you go into your search bar and put in snipping tool, you can grab your image like that. So I'm going to capture this. It's going to try and do it. It's probably not going to like doing this with Camtasia running, but it'll be fine. So there's a picture of Craig's Bank. So that should work. There we go. So what I'm going to do is, the best thing to do if you're using Commission Griller is to save these images into Dropbox. If you have Dropbox on your computer. If not, you can just download Dropbox. It's a really easy way to store images and things. So in my Dropbox, I have a folder where I put information about the products I'm reviewing. So we're in July 18. I've done $20 days in El Bandito so far this month. So I'm going to create a new folder. I'm going to call this Craig's Bank. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to call this image, Craig's Bank. Helps if I spell it right, doesn't it? Craig's Bank Review 1. Because if I want to use these images again for my blog, which I might do, actually having the image named correctly will help with the SEO later if I want to reuse them for something else. So I'm going to click OK, save there. So I've got that image. While I'm actually capturing images, I'm going to just see if there's anything else that I might like for my bonus page, because I'm really busy. Creating bonus pages can take quite a long time. So what I've started doing is rather than typing a load of text myself, I've actually started just taking images from the sales page and putting them on my bonus page, which I just find is just an awful lot quicker for me. So I've just closed Snagit, which I didn't mean to do. Never mind, let's open it up again. There we go, Snagit. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this image here at the top as well. I'm going to take that title. And that should save that. So I'm going to save that again, save as, and I'm going to put it into my folder I've just created, and this time I'm going to call it number 2, like so. And then let's see if there's anything else that'd be really useful. I do like things like this, which is a nice list of information. It saves me typing them. I'm not doing this for SEO purposes. I'm just doing it to build my page. So it doesn't actually matter that I haven't typed the text. Hang on, let me just move that a second. There we go, capture. So I will probably take that bit as well. Okay. Let's call that save as. Because you can get bogged down a lot of the time with building bonus pages, and it means you don't get down to the actual act of you're recording your review. So actually sometimes I think it's just quicker to do it this way, because obviously then you can get on to the bits that are going to actually make you money in the long run, and that's actually doing your reviews and getting your capture pages built and that sort of thing. So I'm going to grab that one. Let's do that one as well. I might come back and get some more in a second. I'm just going to have a quick look to see if there's anything else that captures my eye on this page. I will probably copy and paste this text in a minute. Right. You could possibly take this one, and you could probably take this image as well. That might work really well. So let me just quickly grab those. Because they look pretty good. Okay. And I'm just going to grab the money back guarantee at the bottom as well, because I think that gives people a lot of confidence when they're buying a product, knowing that there's a money back guarantee. So if they think it's not for them once they've purchased it, and you'd hope that actually if people are watching your reviews or anything you've written about them, you will give them enough information so that they are buying with confidence. They know if it's the right product for them, because the last thing you want is people buying a product and then they're just refunding it because it's not what they thought it was. I think it's just a waste of time, and it's not very good for your own integrity if it's not what they think it's going to be or what they're buying. Okay, so I've got some nice images there. So what I'm going to do is go back to my commission gorilla. I'm going to start putting them in. So here I want to put the image of Craig's Bank, that one, of the box one. So let me open up my Dropbox and I can grab the link for that image. I have to bear with me a little bit. My computer doesn't really like the fact that I'm trying to screen capture at the same time as building. So what I've done is I've just right clicked on the image I want, and I've come here to copy Dropbox link, and then what I'm going to do is come to here and I will then paste I'll paste the link in here like so, and then put OK. So hopefully, ha-da-da, that's changed. Now, what I could do is change this block colour because it looks a bit strange with the purple either side. It's not bad, but it might look better if it's white. So let's change that to white. There we go. That looks a little bit better, I think. And my purple here works rather nicely. So we've got that information. All of these bits are just a series of blocks. So obviously there's a spacer block. Then there's a bit of text in there, text box, block, then a countdown timer. And if you want to add more of these in, all you do is you come across the blocks here, and you can see here are all the bits of blocks that you can choose from, and you just basically drag them across. So if you want a countdown timer, you just come to countdown timer and you drag it across and it puts a countdown timer in. Simple as that. Okay, I'm just going to delete one of those because I don't need two. Then what we could put in here is we picked the headline. That was another image we got. So what I could do is I could go and grab the headline. So that's this one here. Right click again, copy Dropbox link, come here and replace that there. So now that should change. So I've now got the headline dropped in. This button here, I tend to leave them yellow. I don't bother changing them. And what happens is I don't have to do anything with this because it's a call to action button. So one of these, CTA button. You can have them however you want them to look. And what happens is at the beginning, when I put my affiliate link in the settings, as soon as I publish this page, that button will be active with the affiliate link that I've just kind of added into my settings. So it's much quicker than having to go and attach an affiliate link to each button. So it's much quicker. Okay. So now I've got a piece of text here from El Bandito, but obviously I captured something that was very similar for Craig's Bank. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go and grab this one, copy Dropbox link, and then I'm going to do exactly the same thing here. Place the image link in there and OK. And now I have got my sort of suggestions of who this would work for and some selling points of this product. The next bit I've got is the funnel, so that people know what they're getting. So when they come to this page, they want to be informed about what the upsells are and the downsells are. And obviously you won't see these on the sales page, so that we're putting them on the bonus page to inform the buyer what it is they're getting, and what when they get go through the sales funnel, they know what the upsells are and the downsells. Because some people might go, well, they hit upsell one and think, oh, that's a bit too much money, I don't want that. Then it's gone. Think, oh, I wish I'd bought it because there's no downsell. Whereas obviously if you list the upsells and downsells for the customer, they know what's coming and they already are informed before they get into the funnel. And they have a better idea of what sorts of extras are on offer. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the JV document, and on the JV document there is the product information. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy that from there, and I am going to come to Commission Gorilla, and what I'm going to do is I'm literally just going to highlight that and paste that in. Now I'm going to have to change the colour because obviously it's black. So I can highlight it, and then I come down here to text colour, and white should work quite well, but maybe bold would be better. And then I just need to put some spaces in like so it kind of is easier to read, like that. So let's quickly read this so it makes sense. Okay. Sometimes it might say in the JV document how much commission as an affiliate you are getting, and I wouldn't leave that in there because I don't necessarily want the customer to know what the affiliate commission I'm getting is. So I always check to make sure it makes sense, and also to remove anything that says that. And I just check there's no sort of spelling errors, or to make sure it's clear there's prices in, because sometimes I get a JV document and there might be some information missing, but this gives me an opportunity then to go back to the vendor and say, well, actually, could you give me some more information? I noticed that there wasn't a price for the second upsell, or could you let me know if they're offering bonuses, what the bonuses are? So that's all fine. And then let's scroll down a bit more. So here I'm going to take that out because obviously it says El Bandito, and I need to put Craig's Bank in there. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is these bonuses might not be applicable to this product. These are bonuses that I put in for El Bandito. They're not ones that are congruent with Craig's Bank. So what I need to do is I need to go through my bonus library to see which ones do match. Now, depending on which version of Commission Gorilla you have, You might have a certain number of bonuses built in. You might have gone for the membership subscription where they add bonuses all the time. So there's always fresh bonuses you can pick from. Alternatively, if you've run out of bonuses to use in the library they give you, you can upload your own bonuses. But I'm not going to go through that in this video because I think it will take too long. But I will show you how to do that if you want to know in a later video. Because otherwise I'll be talking for the rest of the night and you're going to get bored and go to sleep. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to choose a different bonus. So by clicking on the little cog, it gives me all the bonuses that I can add for this product. So I'm going to have a quick whiz through because Craig's Bank is about outsourcing products to a certain extent. So I want to think of things which would complement it. So say for example, the bonus one here, and let's see, no, should we do that one? So let me have a little look through and see which ones are relevant. So let me think, what can we have? Right, so I would say this one, write compelling headlines, would be relevant to this product because it's about advertising on Craigslist, and actually compelling headlines would be really useful. So I'll click select, and what will happen is that bonus is put into that space, and it's automatically added to our delivery page, and we'll get the delivery page link in just a moment. The other thing I'm going to do is I might change this background colour because it doesn't really work very well. So I'm going to go and change the block colour up here. So I just need to grab the code again. And I'm just going to quickly grab that. And I'm going to come into here and put in the link for the colour. Oops, that's not what I wanted. Let's try that again. Let's just delete all that lot. It's not what we wanted in there. Oh, there's a lot of text in there. Let's just cancel that. Let's see if I can get rid of it. I wonder if clicking on there will help. Okay, that'll help. Right, let's get the code again. So let's see, hopefully it will copy it properly this time and not put a load of text in there. Right, there we go, that worked. So we'll choose that and then click OK. So now that's put compelling headlines in there. Let's pick, I'm just going to go through and just pick some randomly, I think a little bit here, because otherwise I could be here all day. So I'm just going to stick some more in. Let's change the background colour as well. Just excuse the bell, that's my kitten playing with a ball in the background. And then let's pick, I tend to do, say, three to five bonuses. I won't always use out the library. I might produce my own bonuses, but for the sake of this video, I'm just showing you how to the bonuses that are installed, so you know how to do it and how quick and easy it is. Because it's very easy, like I said before, to get bogged down spending a lot of time creating your bonus page, which means it becomes a bit of a barrier to actually getting on and doing your review video. You go, oh, I can't do my review video, I haven't done my bonus page yet. So I just wanted you to see potentially how quick creating a bonus page can be, and you can spend quite a lot longer going through and tweaking, putting your own text in. I'm just doing it in a quick method because I want to get it done. I want to get it out there because actually my bonus page is part of the thing that will help make me money, because obviously I'm persuading people to buy a product and giving them lots of lovely stuff, but actually not if it stops me creating my review video and becomes a barrier to that. Oh, hang on. Right, push more. There we go. Okay, choose. Okay, so all I'm really doing is I'm going through and just picking some bonuses that I think are congruent. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to remove these other bonuses for now, and I'll probably go back and put some more in later on. Email list, that's relevant, I'd say. Okay, let's just check it doesn't say outbound detail anywhere else. Insane bonuses. And then This is a bit here that I always put into mine because it shows people how to access their bonuses, because that's one thing you get a lot of comments about and emails about. I can't find my bonuses, where are they? So by having this little bit of information here, it shows them when they buy the product where they get their bonus from. So heading them off at the pass. And then I like to put a picture of myself on the bottom and my website. And then there's kind of affiliate disclaimer and stuff at the bottom there. And I just created these using Canva or another sort of image processing piece of software. I use Usign, that's something I use. But so as you can see, it's quite easy once I've kind of got the bones in place for my bonus page, that it's quite easy to swap things around and put different images and stuff in the right places. So that is pretty much it. The only other setting I need to change is my bonus delivery page. So I need to put a name in here. So let's call this Craig's Bank. Very secure, I know. Of course you won't guess what that one is. So that's a bonus delivery page. And I'll show you how that looks in just a sec. So right, that's all done really, pretty much. I'm quite happy with that. I'll go back and proofread it later, but that's basically done. I'm going to click Save and Exit. And it will say in a minute, ta-da! Right. So this link here is the one that you put in your emails if you email people to send them to your bonus page, or below your YouTube videos. That's the one you want for that. And this one here is the one you want to put in your Warrior Plus back office. And then this one is the code if I want to share my bonus page. You can see that's on the screen here. If you want to copy that code down, then feel free to have my page, but just obviously tweak it for yourself. You don't want my picture on your page, do you? Or my affiliate link. So you need to make sure if you clone my page, you remove my affiliate link and put your own in and put your own images. So I'm going to take this bonus page link here and I'm going to go back to my Warrior Plus. It must be here. Hang on, it must be there. And in here, I'm going to put in the bonus page where people can get to it. So now if anyone buys Craig Bank through my link, they will automatically be given that link to go look at the bonuses. So I will save that. And then I'm just going to paste that URL into the browser so you can see how the bonus page looks. Okay, let's think about it. There we go. It's nothing earth-shatteringly fancy. I've kept it really, really simple. But here you can see it's put in the titles of the bonuses that I have given, and also how you download them. So as you can see, it's much quicker. I mean, in another video, I'll probably show you how to do this in WordPress if you want to create your own bonus videos. But in WordPress, rather than using Commission Griller, because not everybody wants to perhaps pay for Commission Griller, but it is quite a reasonable product and it does make life so much faster. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial. I'm Jennifer from Jennifer Bailey Online. If you've liked my tutorial, please give me a thumbs up or a comment and subscribe to my channel because there are more videos coming soon. Thank you for watching.